Hey guys, today I will show you how to fix the error which comes when you open up OBS Studio. So when I click on OBS, an error comes that MSVCP file was not found. So to fix this error, we are going to download this file again. So click on your browser and type in the name of the file. Make sure that the name of the file is exactly the same and click on the first website which comes. Now scroll down. Here you will find two files. One will have architecture as 32 and the other one will have architecture as 64. So if you are having Windows 32-bit, you are going to download the file which is having architecture 32, and if you are having Windows 64-bit, you are going to download the file which has architecture as 64. So I have Windows 64-bit, so I am going to download this one. Now it will take a couple of seconds to download this file. Now the file has downloaded, so close this and open File Explorer and drag this file to your desktop, and I have dragged it. Now do a right click and click on extract files and click on desktop on the right side over here and click on OK. Now two files have been extracted here, so drag this one over here and copy it, the one which is having MSVCP written on it, and open your File Explorer and go to this PC and open your C drive. Then go to Windows File and scroll down and find the System 32 folder. So here it is, and click on it, and over the white space over here do a right click here and paste that file and press continue. Now that file has been pasted here, so close this and now open your OBS Studio. So as we can see, the OBS Studio is working perfectly fine. So I have fixed that error. So thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.